Hello traders, I'm Annie. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a strategy that works great on another broker, Pocket Option. And today I want to test it and prove to you that it really works. I used to trade on Pocket Option a few years ago, but now I decided to switch to QUOTEX. It's much better trading environment, and well guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel. We're starting our trading session. As you can see, there's $5 in my balance, and today I'm using zigzag indicator and the good old MACD indicator. The currency pairs I've already chosen. There's some really cool situations in them. In my opinion, I want to change the expiry time to 1 minute, and it will also trade on the 1 minute time frame. Well, let's move on to the second currency pair, American dollar and Brazilian real. What are we looking at here? Pretty good situation. We can see the price is at the resistance level, and we see a red program on MACD indicator. So trade down, let's go. Guys, as you can see, my first profit, great. Yes, it's still negligible, but still I managed to increase my deposit. And just look at the excellent entry point this combination of indicators on QUOTEX predicted to me. Yes, look, let me mark the resistance level that the price has reached. Here, look, the price touched it the first time, and now the price is at this level. So had no doubt that the trade would be winning one. Well, I want to go back to the first currency pair at 92 payout. On this currency pair, guys, we see fairly strong bullish movement, and as we can see, the price has curved a little bit, but I think it will continue its upward movement. On the MACD indicator, we see a green histogram, so $9, trade up, let's go. Another awesome entry point. As you can see, a green histogram has appeared on the MACD indicator. That was our signal upstairs. The zigzag indicator also gave us a signal. By the way, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel, where you can find a lot of useful information about trading and binary options. So follow the link in the description below this video and join my community. You can also find totally free trading signals. I'm waiting for you, and we continue our trading session. Well, I want to go to the third currency pair, 93% payout. I see global upward trend in this currency pair, but according to the technical analysis, I see a head and shoulders pattern here. That's why I want to invest $15. Downward trend is open, let's go. And guys, as you can see, another profit. Check out the head and shoulders reversal pattern here. Let me picture now. I think the price will continue its downward movement. Look at this. This is our left shoulder, this is our head, and this is our right shoulder. Now the price, I think, will break this level, and the price will continue down to about this. In addition, look at the MACD indicator histogram. This tells us of a further decline. Well guys, let's continue this strategy and move on to the next currency pair for the euro and British pound. Let's see what's going on here. Yes guys, there's also an uptrend here, but we can see that the market is quite choppy and very volatile. And I don't want to make a trade here, so let's come back to it and a little bit later. Moving on to the euro dollar. What do we see here? That's pretty good situation. The price has reached the resistance level, begins its reversal. MACD is looking down, and there's the red histogram. So let's not waste any time. $30, trade down. And guys, another profitable trade. As you can see, I was again able to anticipate the move down, and 1 minute was enough time to make a profit. And look, my balance is already $58. This is exactly the amount I recommend my subscribers join my VIP channel with. By the way, you can aid to it by rating me at the link in the description of this video. I want to trade. I'll add you absolutely for free, and also in my VIP channel you can find a lot of useful information about trading and binary options. Just join my community and we'll continue this trading session. Well, I want to switch to the American dollar and the Egyptian pound. Alright, in this currency pair we can see that price has started its correction on this uptrend, but I want to catch this moment, and I think it will go down in the next minute because this is the resistance level. This was the support level earlier, so trade down, let's go. And Fox, another profit. Look, my balance sheet is growing right before your eyes. Step by step, it gets bigger and bigger. 101 bucks already makes up my deposit. And guys, look, this strategy also works very well on QUOTEX, but time pocket option. Well, let's move on, and I want to switch to American dollar and the Japanese yen. Well, on this currency pair, we can see that the price is trading flat, but we can notice a green histogram on the MACD. The candles are also above the zigzag, so I want to catch this upward movement. $100 that traded up, let's go. Guys, look at that. My deposit is getting bigger every time. I think the price will continue its movement to about this level. You have to agree, it's pretty cool. Well, let's move on. Let's move on to the next currency pair of the euro and the Swiss franc. Right, what do we see here? Look, it's quite similar situation. Here we also see flat, and yes, I want to catch that upward movement again. Look, by MACD we have a green histogram. The candlesticks are above the zigzag line. So, trade up, here we go. And yes, guys, another profit. As you can see, this combination of indicators really shows some very cool entry points, and I'll tell you again, 1 minute was just enough time for this trade to be a winning trade. Guys, how much do you think I can earn in today's trading session thanks to these combination of indicators? By the way, I repeat, this combination of indicators, this strategy I've used before in pocket option too, but now in this video I want to prove you that the strategy can work for QUOTEX. Well, let's move on to the first currency pair. It has a much higher percentage, about 93%. Well, I see pretty good entry point in this currency pair. We can also see that the upward trend continues here, but look, the price has reached the support level. Well, that's why I think the price now could turn around. So let's not waste any time. 330 bucks, the trade's up, let's go. Guys, as you can see, I made the profit literally at the last seconds. To be honest, I thought we were going to lose all my money. Oh, I'm so happy today. Look, I think we should have opened the trade for 2 minutes, and then the trade would have been a real winner. And we shouldn't be so worried. Yes, look, the price has reached the support level. Let me show it to you now so that you can understand very well. Look at this level that I talked about here. It's a resistance level. Then that level is broken, and now the support level. Look, by MACD indicator we see a green histogram. That's why my trade was up here. Well, my plan is only 640 bucks. Let's move on to the second currency pair. 92% payout on this currency pair. We see a fairly strong bullish move, but I think price definitely needs to start its correction. Well, in addition, you can see resistance levels here. 600 bucks, trade down, let's go. And guys, congratulate me, the first $1,000. And you gotta admit, that's pretty cool. Let me remind you, I started trading with only $5. So look at the amount of money I was able to achieve. Yes, guys, check out my trade down here, as there's a pretty strong resistance level here, which the price has already reached more than once. And I decided that if the previous level was broken, the price will not break this level. and price needed to correct after such an upward move. Well guys, great. I suggest we open a few more trades. I think that will be enough today, so let's see what's going on here. It's not a bad situation either. By the way, we can notice that the price has pushed back from the support level and is starting its upward movement. I want to catch that upward movement. And guys, another fucking lucrative entry point. Just look at the results of this combination of indicators. As you see, I didn't have a signal loss during this trading session. You gotta admit, it's pretty awesome. Yes. Well, look at the MACD indicator. We see green histogram. And I think it was the right decision on this uptrend to open a trade down. Well, let's take a look at what's happening on the euro and dollar currency pair. I see a pretty good situation in this currency pair. We can notice that the general trend here is downtrend, but I think the price should still correct after such a bullish move, and my trade here will be down. And guys, yeah, look, another profit. I'm in clear. As you can see, 1 minute was enough. Yes, look, there's a really nice resistance level here that the price has reached and started its move. But I think the price will continue to move up a little bit and then it will go down. Guys, I want to remind you again about my Telegram channel. You can find a link to it in the description below this video. Join me, it's absolutely free. You can find a lot of useful information about trading and binary options. And look, my balance is $3,987. Well, you know, I think that's enough for today and we'll stop for today. I wish you all a good day, big profit, bye-bye.